Hi guys. While I'm still hope to get, while I'm hoping to while I'm hoping to reconnect with Andy, Katie, and Peter from Hold My DualShock by Thursday. Today I'll be going to see I'm expected to go see Star Wars: The Phantom Menace re-release in theaters tonight with my cousin Josh. And to celebrate that, I've decided to start another action figure review focused on Mundi, Jedi Master. And up here, as you see, there's Darth Maul, aka the Phantom Menace himself. Star Wars Episode 1. Man, 1999. And this movie is still one of the best in the series, where you get to understand the lore and where it all began. Now figures talk. Through a special radar with a Comtech chip, like this one. Yeah. Yeah, just like this one. Now, right here is his lightsaber. Purple, but dark purple, or violet as you would call. However, we know that in the movies that his lightsaber is blue, just like Obi-Wan's and Plo Koon's. That's another controversy that's been stirred up ahead of the initial official reveal in Attack of the Clones, where we get to see him in action with other Jedi fighting the separatist droid armies, and following Mace Windu on the battlefield of Geonosis, which was really cool. May not have been as long as and savoring as most wars, but it was still awesome. Really cool to see some Jedi get out and about. A generation before Star Wars: A New Hope, in a galaxy far, far away, an evil force is gaining strength and threatens an entire civilization. Two courageous Jedi, a young queen, a Gungan outcast, and a slave boy named Anakin, band together to save a planet under attack as fate of the galaxy hangs in the balance. Mundi, as part of the 12-member Jedi Council gathered on Coruscant at the Temple of the Jedi, Mundi must help many faithful decisions as the Council is called upon to consider the invasion of Naboo and the future of young Anakin Skywalker. Kiadi's Comtech chip lines are impossible. The Sith has been extinct for millennia. I sense he will reveal himself again. The Force is strong with him. This speech chip interacts with Mace Windu and Anakin Skywalker. Interesting. Just as you see right here, where he says, "May the Force be with you." Comtech readers sold separately. Electronic Comtech reader. Communication output memory module. Star Wars action figures will never be the same. Yeah. Now Star Wars Episode 1 figures have the ability to speak. The Comtech chip that comes with each figure and the Comtech reader sold separately give you the power. Simply touch each figure's Comtech chip to the Comtech reader to hear your figure speak. Some will even talk to other figures. Now the Force is with you. And here you got on the bottom, Boss Nass, Mundi, Chancellor Palpatine, Mace Windu, Gasgano with Pit Droid. Wow. By Hasbro. 10 Jedi Master Points proof of purchase. Yeah, that was a long time ago. All right. Man, I can't believe just how big and tall his head is right there. Especially that skull. Wow. What a big lump. Kind of like the cone heads from the movie from one of the movies that came out, except it's round on top. Okay, time to unbox you this next Jedi. Here's the comm chip. And here's the Jedi Master, Mundi, and his lightsaber. And wow, he's the second figure to ever have a different colored lightsaber. Well, can't tell if it was shown in the game, but it was just here so far. And as you can see, his ponytail right on top. Man, so many complex designs. I could see why George Lucas took 16 years to think things over before going ahead to expand the universe for 25 years ago when this movie came out. As you know, Mundi also died, one of the Jedi who died in the execution of Order 66 on Maikito at the hands of the naval clone commando troopers. Man, right after Obi-Wan killed Grievous, yeah. He was a skillful Jedi, nonetheless. Now, this chip, I don't exactly have the reader, but at least it gives you something to stand it on. Anyway, if you guys like what you see here, be sure to click the like button below the video. Hit subscribe if you wish to see more of my videos online as they come up across. And may the Force be with you. Tonight I'll be sure to give you my review on the Phantom Menace movie once I get back from the theaters. Take care, and to those of you living in Texas, Katie, Andy, and Peter, stay strong. I'm sure we'll get through these hard times. Just don't lose your faith in me. And everyone else, including Grogu. And if Andy can't get his channel back up again without, pardon me, but if Andy can't seem to watch himself and ends up getting banned, please be sure to start each of your own YouTube accounts, Katie and Peter. We need to stay after all, we all gotta stay in touch with one another on some serious topics regarding Hollywood and the rest of entertainment lately. Take care, guys. And to Parker, CS2, Brogu, Rogue Sarge, may the Force be with you too. Always.